So the question is, if the system of equations x plus y plus z equals 2 and 2x plus 4y minus z equals 6 and 3x plus 2y plus lambda z equals mu has infinitely many solutions, then what will be the correct equation from the given equations? So let's move on to the solution. So in order to calculate the solution, we would first have to calculate the determinant, and we will put it equal to 0. So first we will write all the coefficients of x, y and z in this manner. And then we will solve the determinant. Now to solve the determinant, first we will hide this line and we will multiply this value to this 4 into lambda into 4 lambda, and then minus 1 into 2, which were minus 2, and minus 2 into minus is plus 2. After that we would hide this one, and then we will write 2 into lambda, which is 2 lambda, and then minus 1 into 3, which is minus 3 into minus, which is plus 3. And after that we will write this one, and we will multiply 2 into 2, which is 4, and 4 into 3, which is minus 12. So after solving this, we would get the value lambda is equal to 9 by 2, and then we would calculate the determinant x, and then we have to check the formula for determinant x. So we would first write the rightmost values of the equation, which is 2, 6 and mu. Then we would write the coefficient of y, and then we will write the coefficient of z. Now we have the value of lambda, which we did not have earlier, which is 9 by 2. And then we will solve this equation as we solve the above equation. So we will get the value mu is equal to 5. And then after putting these values in the options we have in the question, this is the equation, this is the option which satisfies the above values. So this is our answer, which is option 2.